Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm ARK. We have seen almost all the types of input that are available to take in HTML in our previous videos, and in this video we will be seeing how to submit and reset our form using buttons. So to summarize it, we are going to see button controls in HTML. So let's get started. So I've made a simple form over here. We have a username field and a password field. Now we will create two buttons, submit and reset, and we will also see two more types of buttons using which we can control this form. We can create buttons using a button tag, a separate button tag, and also using input type button. It's upon us to do so. The only difference is that button tag has a closing and opening tag both. We can embed data, we can embed content in between these button tags that will be displayed inside that button, but we don't get that liberty using input type button. But in this video we will only be seeing input type button because we are dealing with forms. So the way we can create a button using input tag is input : button. That will result in input field with type of button, and to display something in that button we need to type between value. We'll first see without a value. So you can see we have a username field, a password field, and then a button. So inside value we can write something like button. So you can see we have button written over here. So this button does nothing. This neither submits nor resets the form. This is just a plain button. I just shown you. And the next type of button we have here is a submit button. Submit button. Value will be whatever we want. I'll write submit. So you can see we have a submit button over here. Whatever we write in this form will be submitted by this button, and I hope you understood the submit button. It submits the form to the server. It submits whatever value we have in the form to the server. We'll see how it happens when we explore our backend, but for now it's enough to know this much about this button. And the another type of button we have is reset button. So suppose you want to reset all the values in form by just one click, you can use this reset button. Input : reset, value will be reset. So you can see if we wrote some wrong information in the form, then we can just click reset and it will be resetted. All the forms will roll back to its initial state. And the fourth type of button actually we have is an image button. We can just write input : image. That is an input field with type of image. This won't take image as an input. We are displaying an image. That's it. Instead of this value. So we can just copy the image address and paste it in source attribute. And alternate will be login. You can see we got this is a clickable button, but it just has an image in its background. I hope we can control its dimensions, like width, 100 px. So this is what we have. We have a clickable button, but background is an image. So these were the four types of button we have. Just a plain button, which we have seen first, and then a submit button, a reset button, and a button with background as an image. And those common attributes like autofocus and disabled will work on these buttons. You can see autofocus. So the submit button is focused, and then if I write disabled here, the submit button is no more clickable. I hope the concept of buttons in HTML is clear. So that is it for the video, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. By this we have almost completed the foundational part of HTML. We can move towards the CSS now, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one.